Hey guys, welcome to today's video. I'm gonna share with you some of my favorite hair secrets. I'm gonna show you how I transform this air-dried mess right here that has barely been brushed into a beautiful mermaid beachy situation in under 10 minutes. This is my favorite go-to fast hairdo. And surprisingly, a lot of you guys wanna know exactly what I do. And I do have a few things that I do differently. I do not start out looking like sleek whatsoever. We're talking, we don't have time, let the hair air dry, and then go to town really quick with a hot tool. I've already prepped my hair with a little bit of heat protectant, so I am going to section off my slightly frizzy locks. I actually typically will take sections excluding the bangs. I always kind of like to fluff the bangs separately at the very end. I will take my bangs, this is a giant clip, we're gonna need it in a little bit, and then I typically will go straight back as far as I can and start crimping. Somehow the angling of kind of clamping the crimper forward gives you a lot of volume, and I don't know why, but this hairdo stays put for days. This is hard, I only have a monitor. So I usually count like 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. I have my iron up to 380. I'm now going to clipper forward. Any of these wavers will work. I picked this one up at Sally's. They have a ton of them there. You can pick them up at the drugstore, Target, Ulta, wherever. I like that you can take pretty wide sections. Makes it fast. I'm traveling tomorrow and this will be my airport hairdo. The only curls that ever truly hold for whatever reason. This is hilarious, but you guys, this is legit how I do my hair. Even when I'm curling it, I tend to do this. It just helps you to have volume. Okay, we're getting somewhere pretty quick. I say this all the time, but always brush your hair from the ends to the root, not the other way around. We are almost there. We can take it a step further by adding one of these in the mix. Now this is a micro crimper, and what you can do is go underneath some of your top sections. I'm gonna spray a little right here. It is gonna be a little crispy, don't be alarmed. It's just one of those things where you're like, it works. Oh, we're not crispy. That's good. So you just wanna do this at the root. That's it. You see that little crimp right there. It'll soften up a little bit, but because there's already waves going on in the hair, it really is so undetectable to do this technique. If you want an area of your hair to have more volume without teasing, investing in one of these micro crimpers is really nice. You just do one at the root, that's it. You see what I just did? I created a little bit of a lift. So now this front section is a little more lifted. I am going to curl the front now that I have everything else done. This is one of those hairdos that you do want to let rest. You do want to let it settle a little bit. It's not going to stay so crazy in the front like this. It will loosen up, but I like to let the heat get cool and let the curl actually set so that I can wear this for days. And so I'm not going to touch what I just crimped. I'm going to go in now and grab smaller pieces, and I am going to saturate the full length with hairspray. We might hear some crispy noise from the hairspray here. This is bringing me back to high school, but this is legit the way to get that kind of dimension in the hair. I don't use hairspray on the whole head, just on these smaller sections. And they actually can end up feeling a little bit firmer depending on how much hairspray you want to go in with. I used to use straight up gel. I don't know that that's safe for your hair, but in high school, I was big into crimping and that's what I would do. We're gonna do a Britney Spears throwback, and while the crimper is like here, I'm just gonna crimp a couple of sections. I'm so strange, but I love how this looks. I'm hearing screams through the computer right now. Like, what are you doing? I think it looks kind of cool. I feel like Britney Spears post VMAs a million years ago. This is just the easiest hair for summer. It's my go-to summer hairdo because it lasts for like 3 days. Day 2, use some dry shampoo. Day 3, you can use some dry shampoo and then a volumizing powder if you really want to go in and just like embrace the chaos. And it's such a great, fun, easy to do look. And I also have a surprise in this video for you guys. I am so thrilled. The Tati list has been activated once again, and I have a giveaway for 200 of you that we have already sent out. The winners have already been randomly selected off of the Tati list. And if you are not on the Tati list, I will link info in the description box below, a video explaining what it is. It is free to join. You can be entered in future giveaways that are happening at random, automatically entered if you're on the list always. Today I'm going to be sharing with you from Vuore some of the most beautiful hair care that just got sent out generously from them to 200 people on the Tati list. I love doing the list, you guys. A few people were like, oh my gosh, is it still here? Is it gone? What's happening? And it is still here. We have another one coming in a couple of weeks. I still crave and desire to do in-person meetups. I am trying to figure that out. The timing has not been right. I've been traveling. Things have been a little bit haywire, but it is still in my mind. And I'm just very, very pleased that we are still going with this and doing these giveaways. It feels so good to me to be able to do. Check your text messages to see if you are a winner. If you are international, check your email to see if you have won. For everyone else, there is a deep discount here available for the Tati list. It is going to be Tati30 for a whopping 30% off. I love it when companies go deep with these codes. This is not an affiliate link for me. It's just something you can take advantage of short term, and that info will be in the description box below as well. I'm going to show you guys what the Tati list giveaway winners just received. This is from Vuore. I love the box that we have this time. It feels so elegant. Now this is a kit you can purchase online. This is the foundation bundle. It is $39 using the code TatiList30. It comes down to $27. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. The scent that I selected for everyone to receive is Hidden Waterfall. It is musky, it's a little sexy. It is a beautiful, gorgeous scent that, of course, for me being fragrance sensitive, does not set me off, so it will not give you a headache. It turns your shower into this very beautiful spa-like situation. They do have different scents and fragrances available. They have a lot of good products. Go check out their website to learn more. They even have body wash bars, which I am going to personally be ordering. So this kit right here is the shampoo bar, conditioner bar, and bamboo holder. This is going to strengthen the hair, volumize the hair, add a lot of shine to the hair. And if you're like, oh my gosh, Tati, it's just shampoo. Why is this so special? It's sustainable and container-free, water-free. One of these bars is going to last you such a long time. It is hard to go through them. And especially if you have the bamboo container, it's not going to get all melty in the shower and break apart and kind of, you know how soap gets kind of gross and grimy if you just throw it on a ledge? If you get this container, it's so worth it. It will preserve the integrity of your bar. Side note, I forgot to share with you guys how I discovered this brand. It was not my discovery. It was my mom. Legitimately, she bought this for me for Christmas one year. And I have to say, for my mom to go out on a limb with all the products that I have and think this was a great idea to order for me with all the hair care that I have, she's like, Merry Christmas, here you go. And I remember it sitting in my car and I'm like, oh, it's shampoo. You know, it's kind of cool. It's really pretty. Thank you, Mom. And the scent in my car just was so nice. There's something about this smell that is just one of those addictive scents that you want to just stand there and just like, oh, it's so beautiful. It's so beautiful, but it's not overwhelming, I promise. Like, it is definitely there, but it's not overwhelming. Okay, so what you're gonna do in the shower, this is so cool. You actually wet the bar, wet your hair, and you massage the scalp into a lather. What I like about this is you can get all of those hidden areas that sometimes when you take the shampoo in your hand and you do this and you're lathering, you can kind of miss areas and not lather everywhere evenly. With the bar, you can go underneath and you are really really getting in there and lathering up every part of your scalp, your hair. Everything gets beautifully clean. It's not that it's a clarifying treatment, but it definitely cleans better than most shampoos in my opinion, and it still maintains softness and shine and all the good things we want from a shampoo. You get all your information in the packaging right here. Everything A to Z is so well thought through. So right here on the inside, you learn that for over 2,000 years, the Red Yao tribe has lived deep within the rice terraced mountains of Longshan. So it's Longshan rice water that makes this such a unique product. You're using something that has been used for 2,000 years to strengthen hair. And they give back to the local community 5% of every purchase, which I think is amazing. Exclusive Longshan rice water formula is an all-natural formula, promotes healthier hair, renews and volumizes, strengthens hair fibers, moisturizes and repairs, and leaves you with long-lasting shine. This is kind of like a double-decker situation. So you are going to put your conditioner bar in the bottom compartment, and then you have everything all together as one. The conditioner bar, PS, you just kind of rub the bar itself on the ends of the hair. It's really lightweight, but very silky, like it leaves the hair feeling very silky. And then bonus tip, I like using it to shave. It is the most luxurious product to rub on the legs. It just leaves the perfect amount of glide, so I really love that. I'm so happy that we did another Tati List giveaway. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Check viewer out. All the info that you need even to join the Tati List will be in the description box below. When you receive your giveaways, I want to see them. I'm always so nosy, so be sure to DM me, snap a pic, post it so I can like it. And if you try this hairdo out, I want to ask the same thing. I want to know if you guys enjoy the whole beachy waves for summer type of a deal. I love hearing from you. So whether it is a photo that you send through IG or just a comment here, I love hearing from you. And thank you so much for being a part of this journey. I love you all. I hope you're having a good one, whatever you are doing. And I will see you guys in my next video. Mwah.